Hello, Namaste, Jai Swaminarayan. Welcome back to my channel, Tips Home Life. Today I'm sharing how I make Podi masala at home. So let's start. Heat 1 tablespoon oil in a pan. Add 4 tablespoon urad dal. Roast it until turns brown. At this stage, add 1 tablespoon sesame seed and roast it for a while. Now remove from heat and take out in a bowl and keep it aside. Now using same pan, heat 1 tablespoon oil again and add 1 tablespoon chana dal, 1 tablespoon tur dal and roast it again until it turns brown. Now add dry chilies and roast it for a few minutes more. Now keep aside and let it cool everything and then grind it in a powder form. Now add 1 tablespoon salt. I forget to shoot that video, so sorry for that. Now mix well everything nicely and store it for up to 6 months in a glass jar container. Thank you for watching and see you soon again with another recipe. Till then, bye, take care, annyeong.